Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Yang Diof. In today's video, I got a makeup review for you guys. We are using all beauty bakery products. We got the blending eggs. These are beauty blenders and we're going to be using these to be our face today. So there are 6 sponges. Each of these sponges is going to be used for different purposes. One foundation, one concealer, one contour. I don't know because I usually use brushes, but we got some extra sponges, so we're going to be using these. I just wanted to let you guys know that all the products that we're using is beauty bakery products, and all the information is going to be down below, all the shades. And well, actually, if the shades that I use is not down below, just listen very carefully in this video, like you know of me saying it. Also, this installation right here is going to be down below. I have made the decision to start doing more makeup videos on my channel because it was highly requested and you guys was getting mad tired of the wig reviews, but it looks good. Like, it still comes out, you know, good. One thing you guys don't know about me is that my channel is all about me. You guys probably do know that. And not really about reviews or anything, just, you know, me and my life. And if you want to stick around for that, you can. If you don't, add and unsubscribe. Alright, so we're gonna get into this video. It's gonna be very cute, very light beat, because you know there's a lot of people on here that don't really be knowing what they doing. I'm one of them, but you guys are watching me. Well, first thing we're gonna be using out of this whole beauty bakery collection is the butter. This is actually my favorite. So it's basically a primer, but it's butter. Like, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little close-up. This is how the butter looks. It's not really butter, it is primer. So I'm just gonna put this all over because it's a primer. So I don't even know if I'm supposed to rub this in, but I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it in. I'm guessing this is just how it's supposed to be looking, you know, it's a primer, I'm not sure. Well, this is how the primer looks on me. Looking a little ashy, but you know, we're not even gonna worry about that. Foundation. This foundation is 301N, and this is what we're gonna be using today. It's just that I haven't did a makeup video like very detailed like this in so long, you know. I haven't did that in so long. So your face is being primed. We're gonna use one of them for our foundation, and then the rest of them you'll see. I'm gonna put that on the beauty blender. Damn, I don't even be putting my makeup on a beauty blender. Like, I put it on the skin. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and start. This is the shade 301N, Beauty Bakery. So this beauty blender is giving me a brush vibes. But one thing I can say is that all the foundation that I put on here is on my skin. Like, it didn't even soak into this egg right here. So another reason why I don't really be using beauty blenders is because it just takes more time to blend in. And I don't have that patience, feel me? I never have that patience. I don't have patience for nothing. But I gotta learn patience anyway, so this beauty blender will work. I'm just gonna keep dabbing this in until I feel like it's everywhere, because this is not a brush, this is a beauty blender, so just want to make sure that you're doing a good job. First beauty blender is already used. We're gonna go ahead and open another one, and we're gonna use this one for our concealer. The concealer that I'm using is also from Beauty Bakery. This is Phun intended, but it's PHUN intended. So we're gonna go ahead and start applying our concealer. So this concealer is already giving me foundation vibes. I used these products before, but like mad long ago. My video probably still up, you know. But this is new and improved, and it's very detailed. Honestly guys, I'm about to just start buying almost every makeup brand that's already out, and we just about to start doing our makeup with it, feel me? Like I said, this is giving me foundation vibes. Good thing I have a lighter Beauty Bakery concealer. This is Baking My Heart. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out first before I go in with that light concealer. So now we're using our second egg. They got me calling these eggs. We're using our second beauty blender, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend this out. So I forgot, if you're blending out your concealer, if you're supposed to wet the beauty blender, if you're not supposed to. I forgot, you know, like I said, I don't really be using beauty blenders, but these beauty blenders right here, they work. I'm pretty sure all beauty blenders work, but this one is, you know, it's different. So this is how your face should be looking when you got your foundation and your concealer on. I don't know if you guys can see that bright under eye that I have going, but I had to add a lighter concealer because it wasn't working. Like, it just looked straight like my foundation. To set our face, we're going to be using another sponge. We are down to our last 3 sponges. So to set our face, we are using Beauty Bakerie in the shade Almond, and we're gonna use that to set our face. I have this palette here. It's called Sugar Cookies, and this is a brand new palette with Beauty Bakerie. For this beat, I'm going to be using this right here. This is the only color that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to put this all over my eyelids. I did not know it was going to come off this light, but we're going to keep going. The eyeshadow is very pigmented. We're just going to go ahead and get this out. So guys, Beauty Bakerie has this face palette, and this is called the Brownie Bar. So it is super cute. So I'm gonna use this shade right here to wipe off all the excess powder on my face, and then we're gonna go ahead and start contouring. So the Sugar Cookies is a eyeshadow palette, but there's like a dark brown in here. This one, and I'm gonna see if that's dark enough for contour. If it's not, I'm just gonna go in my other palette and use something for contour. Guys, I tried using a beauty blender, but I couldn't do it, so we're using my brush. Another face palette, but this one has like a brightish pink in there, and we're gonna use that to for blush. Guys, we applied our blush. I thought it was gonna come off a little bit too pink, but it didn't. Like, it's super cute. I really want to put my lashes on off camera, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll come back and finish the eyes. Guys, so the beat is coming along. Big shout out to Beauty Bakerie because this is so pretty. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some black eyeshadow under here, and then put some mascara on, and then we're gonna go back into this face palette, but the Neapolitan Bar, and we're gonna use the highlight in there. So to set our face, we're gonna be using Beauty Bakerie setting spray, as they call it, the bacon spray. So we're gonna go back in the Brownie Bar, and we're gonna use this highlight right here, this gold right here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Apparently I put too much. I'm just going to line my lips. We're going to be using Beauty Bakerie Drive Me Glazy lip gloss. So I just put a little bit of Holi Canoli on top of, what was this called? Drive Me Glazy. They both clear, but this one has like a little bit glitter to it. As this is a Beauty Bakerie beat, everything that I use in this video is from Beauty Bakerie. All the information is going to be down below. Big shout out to Beauty Bakerie. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I said in this video about this beat. I only used 4 of the beauty blenders. I ended up using a brush for the contour, and I'm not sure what the last one was for, but these beauty blenders really work, so you should go out there and get yourself the whole pack, this little 6 blended eggs. All products that I use today you can find at any Ulta Beauty near you. Beauty Bakerie just made it to Nordstrom, so you can find their products there too. So I'm gonna need all of you guys to do me a favor and make sure y'all leave a thumbs up and leave some comments. You know, I want to hear what y'all gotta say about my channel and Beauty Bakerie and this beat and everything. But I do promise you guys more makeup videos, because I only reviewed Fenty Beauty, Elf, Beauty Bakerie, and that's about it. And there's like a lot of makeup brands out here that I have yet to like do a full video on using all of their products. So it's really lit. We only up from here. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Bye guys.